Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today, let's make dashi, an essential soup for Japanese cooking. I've made the dashi recipe video before, so many of you know how to make it. So this is the updated version, and this is a kelp and bonito flakes based dashi soup stock. And dashi is really important for Japanese cooking. We use dashi for many things. Miso soup, and also pickles. Dashi, Japanese essential broth, is versatile, so I really recommend you to master it. And also there is a veggie dashi recipe in my YouTube channel, so please also check it out. Always my friendly family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as a helpers. In joining this video, I introduce useful cooking ideas, so please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, so dashi is ready. So let's try tasting. We don't usually drink dashi soup stock like this, but it's a recipe video and I want to describe how it's like, so why not? Okay, itadakimasu. I like the gentle fragrance. It makes me feel relieved. The taste of kelp and bonito flakes is really strong. If I had to describe it in one word, it's an earthy flavor. ごちそうさまでした。Here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: please wipe the surface of kelp well and never wash it because the flavor will be washed away. And tip: the key to make delicious dashi soup stock is take out the kelp just before it boils, and this will reduce the miscellaneous taste. And tip: for katsuobushi bonito flakes, I use the strainer, but I also recommend to use the tea bags or use kitchen paper and fold and put in a pot. How was this dashi soup stock recipe video? If you watched my video for the first time, thank you for coming, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I introduce easy, healthy, and yummy Japanese dishes, including baby food and kids meals, and also desserts. Your like button motivates me to create new recipes and informative videos, so please don't forget to hit the like button down below. Thank you so much for everyone. Have a great day, great weekend, and a wonderful new week. We will see you next time. Bye bye!